I put a 10 of them, right from fire from Mvrda them. One bag of talk and never sleep. No revenge to my heart. Make sure the badness never.
You see him, them viewers, me go na little history about Ad. You never know say Ad used to go Calabar and him used to run a champs. So I could have one met the youth ya left high school, jump in a Badness and start walk back a thick man when he was one of the fastest runner them. So no welcome to my channel and welcome to another brawling review. We have that fit up, so no drop some like on the video ya. Subscribe to my channel if you no subscribe yet. So here we want to them people. A 18-year-old youth dead and Naggo Z plus Deportee get charged for murder as him arrive on the island and thick man mouthpiece bail denied. So before me jump in at the reasoning, I'm gonna know what I go on. Pre this.
Where you go let me go? Where you go let me go? No, where you go let me go? That me ask. Who bring me up there? Where you go? Where you go? Where you go? Friend. You know where you make him go and you make your way. You don't come here so with it. Where you go let me go? Who bring me here? Where you go? Where is the phone keeper? Where you go? You're not going let me. I'm there with my things that can't grab me. You're not going to take taxi. I'm not taking a taxi, brother. I'm not going with me. Me, everything on me up, everything that's something that I think with the youth that come in and tell. You know, everything and them things. You know, and them things I do and then you make you look like me and doing something, you know, and them things I'm gonna lie. No, go on the
When you see that, my viewers, you see in a life, it only take one person, you know, to man up and do the right thing, you know. And you see in that video there, that woman there in the red jeans. Cause as she alone see where I go on, you know. As she alone see that situation you could have go left, you know. And before it go left, you know, she jump in, you know, and save the day, you know. Everybody else right there, so them not care about mama. Them not care if that brother they did one jump off of the bike and box her down and kick her down. Them would have laugh and say a man and woman thing. Them young and reckless. But as we say, it only take one person in a life to man up and do the right thing. Anytime you see them situation near road, another woman there in the red, she tell them say cut it, give the man the key, jump and bike back and go on home with your man, go sort out no problem them. So my people wanna think about that. Walk with me now. See that youth you wanna see on the screen, Rashim Brown, aka Shem from Regent Street. I'm a deportee, you know, we land last week in a Jamaica land we love, you know. And as him drop back boy, squaddy them fling the murder charge for him, where him go on with the Upper West Street and take away himself. You see, most of them youth, this is where them did already plan, you know. If you do a bag of dirt in a Jamaica, run through the border and go in America, you know. And them never know. Say them would have come back boy, till see me, Shem, murder man at Upper West Street, runway. Have it say you gonna live your best life now. And look ya, how you do back boy, how you make them catch you. Why you never run and jump a million fence like when you did the boy run from police and soldier. How you afraid? Some people no walk with me and now see me 23-year-old Aiden McIntosh, aka Ad, the youth where police them murder Elton Park. Thick man getaway driver, thick man press button. My viewers, the youth used to attend Calabar, you know. The youth used to run a champs, you know. One met the youth left high school, start itch up on corner, jump in a Badness. Thick man shove all iron in him hand. Till see it now, him dead and gone. Gonna go lay down side him general a dead house. Ghetto youth, who no nah listen. And you not think Badness is a dead end. And every day you make man a push all iron in on hand. I talk about help them fight war and wall off community. Through your born and grow boy. Stop make man program you know. Cause when I say Ad 23-year-old young youth, whole him future did they ahead of him. But you see through them not learn and them make man program them and press up them button. This I go reach the whole I wanna get to youth. No make no boy turn on in a crash dummy. And then at the end of the day, I want no family alone and fear for out the cash when you're not dead or when you're not there jail. So my people, walk with me and now. We are going Naggo Z. We see 18-year-old Aiden Williams. The boy them tab up the youth. And Aiden devil live a Naggo Z, you know. A greater Portmore him live, you know. So we Aiden a do a Naggo Z. A Naggo Z in par. Him a family a Naggo Z. See it ya. Youth them a dead young boy ya. Youth them now live no life boy ya. Some of them as them jump out of high school. Some of them still a go high school. And see it ya. No see say the devil set up shop boy ya. No see say every day. This are the topic boy ya. Dead body boy ya. You know see what go on my people. Where is the next generation of Jamaica? When all of them are go down in a hole. When all of them are jump in a badness. When all of them are make dance and general I use them. So see it my people. Another local juvenile we should have there. Dead and gone me I tell you no a Naggo Z. So my people walk with me again. You know remember she thick man mouthpiece. Where did I run off her mouth? But she not talk with no water in her mouth. No filter. How much things have you go on back in a Spain town for her general? Right now she still there on cell block. Nobody na bail her. And all if Smaddy did dead if he bail her. The judge na give her no bail. So see it ya. I want go on with the one other gang. I want go on with the people them who surround the one other general thick man. Or everybody does a good on in a hole so. Everybody does a sing so. I feed them time. See it I go wipe every gunman off of them up in a Jamaica land we love. And bring back the nation. Never know my people. Let's hope and pray. And pray say that go on. So see her my viewers. Where did I run off her mouth? Stripper. And she sell her body. Well, squaddy them Dave now look upon you in your cell tonight. So my people, until next time. Stay safe out there. Protect on the 3 points out there. You don't know the code of road. A life over death. You see me?
Spanish Town. Hometown, yeah. Look up and I'm seeing green from left to I when it blood clot why I drop down. Look up and I'm seeing green for days. One daddy badness. We not put them out around and talk. One daddy badness. Pussy you not get it. All of the Babylon them. Be this to a threat. Make this be a threat. We're not gonna get it back. Spanish Town is going to be locked down. I'm sorry, I'm not talk this with no